sky, leaves fall without a sound. Footsteps drown in quiet ruin, shadows coil along the ground. Cold wind gnaws at broken hours, memory bleeds into the dusk. I walk through dying colors, seeking warmth beneath the horizon.
The storm leaves close to listen. The forest breathes in grief. Each drop recalls a story, and none grants me relief.
Fall with me into the rain, let the cold reshape my name. Every drop returns again, a spark inside the pain. Fall with me into the rain, where silence learns my shame.
Light breaks upon the water. A faint glow stirs the gray. Ghosts tremble in the branches, yet slowly fade away. Warm breath beneath the downpour, a pulse beneath the leaves. Hope flickers in the shadows, fragile as it breathes.
The rain becomes a teacher. The rain becomes a guide. What breaks beneath the order? Full on the other side.
Fall with me into the rain, let the cold reclaim my name. Every drop dissolves the stain, the wounds I can't contain. Fall with me into the rain, where endings rise again. Fall with me into the rain, let the cold reclaim my name. Every drop dissolves the stain, the wounds I can't contain.